Honderde duisende pasiënte wêreldwyd ontvang tans jaarliks radioterapiebbehandeling vir borskanker. Radioterapie is veral doeltreffend in die behandeling van die vroeë fase van borskanker voordat dit versprei het. Dokters gebruik dit dikwels na chirurgie om enige oorblywende kankerselle te verwyder en dit kan help om die kans dat kanker terugkeer te verminder. Maar radioterapie is 'n kragtige behandeling en dit kan met ernstige neeweffekte gepaard gaan. Dit bevoordeel ook sommige meer as ander en daarom het dokters nuwe maniere nodig om te voorspel wie by radioterapie kan baat vind en wie beter daaraan toe kan wees om vroeër 'n ander tipe behandeling te ontvang. Navorsers het daarom 'n potensiële aanduiding van radioterapie sukses ondersoek. 'n Molekulêre marker genaamd vokale adhese kinase of FAK. FAK is bekend om teenwoordig te wees in baie soorte kanker, insluitend bors, darm en ook eierstokkanker. Toe die span die vlakke van geaktiveerde FAK in die monsters van hierdie pasiënte ondersoek het, het hulle bewyse gevind dat pasiënte met laer vlakke van geaktiveerde FAK in tumormonsters die meeste baat gevind het by radioterapie binne die eerste 5 jaar.
1994, a group of Namibians saw a need for a grassroots Namibian medical aid fund. The Prosperity Medical Aid Fund was born right here, among the hard-working fishermen and ship workers of Walvish Bay. In 2001, in order to establish a fund focused on its members that put their health first, the fund formed its own identity away from its administrators, Prosperity Health. It was named Renaissance Health as a symbol for the renewal of medical funding in Namibia, a transformation in health. Renaissance members voted for their first board of trustees who would carry the fund forward for all Namibians. By 2010, Renaissance had members across the entire Namibia, a fund founded by Namibians for Namibians to ensure access to quality healthcare. In 2020, RMA was put to the test with COVID-19, supplying life-saving oxygen machines door-to-door to members when our Namibian hospitals were full, saving many of its members' lives. RMA is not just a medical aid fund, it's a partner in health for its members, whether through our chronic compliance programs or yearly wellness checkups. RMA was started by you. It belongs to you. A proudly Namibian first medical aid fund providing the best in care for all Namibians. Renaissance Health Medical Aid Fund, serving Namibia since 1994. RMA. Your health comes first.